I just picked up a new project. It's a very old Austin A35. It's not in bad condition, could be restored. Let's show you. See, this is all going to have to get pulled out. It's not damp, it's just mice ridden. Back seats look like they've had it. Mice have been in here. It's all going to have to get pulled out. They've also been in the roof. There's a lot of dust in here. It's been sprayed yellow inside. I have to get that sorted. The engine isn't seized. Want to see under the bonnet? Lovely little way of getting the bonnet open. See this here? Try to do this one hand. Hang on. There you go. It's all there. It's got massive potential. As I say, it's not seized. Doesn't appear to be any leaks. Spiders' webs, rust. I'll show you the boot. Hang on. Spare wheel, starting handle and wheel brace, hole. Boot's not in bad condition. There's the fuel cap there. So watch this space, because I'm going to get this running. And I'm going to get this running very smoothly. Not going to rush it. I've got to take my time. There's a lot of work to be done. Good grief. A lot of work to be done. The handbrake is actually down there next to the driver's seat. It's got a heater. Now I picked this one up. I've actually got another one as well. This is an A35. I think this one's 1955. I've got an A30 as well, which is in better condition, but that's another location. Just got to rescue that. Lovely little car. Used them in Wallace and Gromit. During Wallace and Gromit had a van, Curse of the Were-Rabbit. They also used these in Noddy. Noddy had one of these, which I used to watch. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye on this space for updates.